Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss a topic that can often cause confusion: Nazism versus fascism. These two ideologies, both born out of the tumultuous early 20th century, have left a profound and often chilling impact on world history. Nazism, emerging from Germany, was a political ideology that centered on racial purity and the superiority of the so-called Aryan race. Conversely, fascism, sprouting from the heartland of Italy, championed intense nationalism and authoritarian rule. Although both ideologies thrived in an atmosphere of disorder and discontent, they each carried their unique characteristics and connotations. Now you might be wondering, are Nazism and fascism just two sides of the same coin? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as it may seem, and to fully comprehend these ideologies, we'll need to delve a bit deeper. So, are these two ideologies the same? Not quite. Let's delve deeper. One of the major differences between Nazism and fascism lies in their ideological focus. Let's delve a little deeper into this. Nazism, which emerged in Germany, revolves heavily around the concept of racial superiority, particularly the belief in the dominance of the Aryan race. It's a deeply ingrained aspect of the Nazi ideology, giving it a distinct racial undertone. Shift your gaze to fascism and you'll notice a different focus. Originating from Italy, fascism is more about nationalism and a robust authoritarian rule. It doesn't hinge on the idea of racial purity, but rather emphasizes the strength and unity of the nation. It's about fostering a sense of national pride and maintaining a strong centralized authority. So, while both ideologies believe in a superior group, Nazism emphasizes race, while fascism emphasizes the nation. These differing ideological focuses help us better understand the distinct paths these two ideologies took in shaping history. Leadership and racial policies also set these two ideologies apart. In the realm of Nazism, leadership is intrinsically linked to one figure: Adolf Hitler. Hitler's reign in Germany was marked by extreme racial policies. His belief in the superiority of the Aryan race led to the systematic persecution and genocide of millions of people, especially Jews, during the Holocaust. This dark chapter in history is a glaring example of the destructive potential of racial ideologies. Contrastingly, fascism, while authoritarian, doesn't necessarily tie itself to a single leader or advocate for such extreme racial measures. The leadership in fascist regimes can vary, with one of the most notable examples being Benito Mussolini in Italy. Mussolini's rule was characterized by a strong nationalist sentiment and a push for a unified, indomitable Italy. Racial purity wasn't a cornerstone of Mussolini's fascist regime. Rather, it was the idea of a united and powerful nation that was at the forefront. This divergence in leadership style and racial policies between Nazism and fascism is significant. It demonstrates how two ideologies, often lumped together, can have distinct characteristics and impacts. Therefore, while both ideologies involve authoritarian rule, the leaders and their policies can vary significantly. Lastly, let's look at the symbols and motifs of these ideologies. Symbols, you see, often serve as a shorthand, a quick visual cue to represent complex ideologies. In the case of Nazism, the most well-known symbol is undoubtedly the swastika, a twisted cross-like figure that has since become a universal emblem of hate and intolerance. Alongside this, Nazism also promotes the idea of a master race, a concept that places the Aryan race as superior to all others. Fascism, on the other hand, doesn't have a universally recognized symbol. However, it often uses symbols tied to national pride and unity, such as the fasces in Italy, a bundle of rods symbolizing strength through unity. This is in line with its focus on nationalism and authoritarian rule, rather than an emphasis on racial superiority. In conclusion, while Nazism and fascism share some similarities, they are distinct in their focus, leadership, policies, and symbols. Understanding these differences can help us better comprehend historical events and their impact today. And remember, history is not just about the past, it's also a lens through which we can view and understand our present. So, that wraps up our discussion for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's keep the conversation going, and together we'll unravel the complexities of our world, one topic at a time.